Hello friends, in our previous video we solved one example of finding the square root of bigger numbers by division method. Today also we are going to solve one more example. Let's read the example then. Find the square root of 729. Okay, so as usual, as I explained to you in your previous video, write down this number, this dividend number in this format. Okay, now we will be making the group of two digits from right side. So 29 will be the first group of two digits. Then as there is only one digit left, we will write 0 to the left of 7 and we will make the group of two digits, that is group of 0, 7. And for division purpose, we will start from this group. Okay. Now tell me whose square number is less than 7? Square of 1, 1, square of 2, 2, 4 and square of 3 is 9. So square of 3 is 9, which is bigger than 7. So we cannot subtract it from 7. So we can use square of 2, okay, which is 4. So we are going to subtract 4 from this 7. And we will be writing, as it is a square of 2, we will be writing 2 here at quotient's place. Then it will be here at divisor's place. And then one more time below this divisor number. Okay. We will add this in the left column and write as 4. Then we will multiply this 2 by this 2 and we will write that 4 here below 7. So 7 minus 4 becomes 3. Okay. Now bring down this remaining group 29 here. So this number will be 329. And as I told you, we will be dividing 32 by 4 and not 329 by 4. We will be hiding this rightmost digit 9. Okay. So we are going to divide 32 by 4. So according to the table of 4, what it will be? 4 8s are 32. Okay. So we will write 8 here, 8 here, then 8 here. Now 8 8s are 64. Carry over 6. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, that becomes 38. Oh, 384, but it is a bigger number. It is bigger than 329. So we cannot subtract 384 from 329. So we cannot use it. Okay. So the number which is less than 329, that we have to consider. So now instead of 8, if we use 7, अगर हम लोग 7 यूज करते हैं तो हो सकता है क्या, देखते हैं. At quotient's place 7, then here at divisor's place 7, then one more time it is there below 7. Then multiply 47 by 7 and you will get 7 sevens are 49. 9, carry over 4, 7 4s are 28 plus 4, 32. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So instead of 48, it will be 47. So we will write 7 here at quotient's place, then at divisor's place, and one more time below this 7. Then we will multiply 47 by 7 and we will write the answer here. So 329 minus 329 becomes 0, 0, 0. This is our remainder. Okay. And 47 plus 7 becomes 54. leave it as it is. Now here the remainder is 0, so our process is completed and quotient is your final answer. So square root of 729 is 27. Okay, so we will write square root of 729 is equal to 27. So this is how we have to follow this method, division method, for finding the square root of bigger numbers. Okay, now in our next video we will be finding the square root of bigger numbers like decimal numbers, decimal fractions, by using division method. Till then, goodbye.